Guys, okay, I'm out in the garden and I am about to plant this stuff. So before I do it real quick, I showed you guys how to grow papaya from seeds, and this is how it looks after about, I think it was like 4 months. I grew so many of these that I am having a hard time even getting rid of them. I got some in the backyard. I'm putting some of these now in the front yard. I just took some of the seeds after I got tired of taking care of them and just dropped them on the ground, and then I had a pile on the ground. So if you want some papaya, they're simple to grow. Just watch my video on how to do it. Any questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching. This is my pile of papaya. I just threw the seeds on the ground because I was running out of pots and I didn't see any point in growing any more. Yeah, I have a whole lot.